Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find pre-foreclosure list on PropStream. So to get started with a quick and a straightforward guide on how to find your foreclosure list on PropStream. So the first thing to do is to log into your PropStream account. So visit the propstream.com and sign into your account. Then from there, enter the desired cities, country or zip code in your search bar to define your search region. Then from there, click on the filter button to access the filtering option. Then navigate to the lead list section within the filter menu. Then choose the pre-foreclosures to view the properties in the pre-foreclosure types, pre-foreclosure stage. Then after that, you have to apply the additional filters, which is very optional. So you can just apply your additional filters, which is the property types, the equity percentage, owner type, occupancy status, and a pre-foreclosure details, which is very optional. Then after that you have to apply filters and view your results. So after setting your filters, click apply to generate a list of pre-matching foreclosure properties in your selected area. Then after that, you have to select the properties you are interested in and click add to the list to save them. So from there, navigate my properties to view your save list. So from there, you can export the list, skip trace for contact information, or initiate a market campaign directly within the PropStream. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.